Welcome to Soul Haven. Let's use these next 5 minutes to reset your energy and refresh your mind. Meditation helps reset the mind by lowering activity in the part of your brain linked to overthinking. This creates space for clarity, renewal, and fresh energy, even in just a few minutes. Let's begin. Take a slow breath in and release it gently. Imagine a soft wave of light entering with each inhale, refreshing, clearing, calming. And with each exhale, imagine letting go of anything heavy, anything stagnant, anything no longer needed. Feel the breath move through you like a gentle, cleansing breeze. Bring your awareness to the present. The feeling of your body resting. The sounds around you. The rhythm of your breath. Allow yourself to feel renewed, steady, and grounded. Take one final deep inhale and a slow exhale. Your energy has been reset.